Ariel. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines October 31, 2024. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. October 31, 2024. Iraqi dinar update. Currency auctions 2025 budget. New electronic cards. New lower denominations. The Iraqi Newswire. The volume of currency issued in circulation is approaching 100 trillion dinars. Foreign exchange reserves exceed $100 billion. Next year they witness major transformations in the restructuring of government and private banks. The growth rate of the money supply rose from 46 trillion to 100 trillion in 2 years. External debt does not exceed $20 billion. The current inflation rate is 3.8%, which is a typical rate. They have granted licenses to 16 electronic payment companies. Possible timeline for new exchange rate. End 2024. The cancellation of currency auctions, which could open the door to a new, stabilized rate. Early 2025. Potential introduction of a new exchange rate or redenomination, likely with lower denominations in January 2025 and beyond. Continued modernization and integration of the Iraqi banking sector, leading to enhanced stability and economic growth, which supports a stronger dinar. Currency auctions. The move to phase out currency auctions by the end of 2024 is part of their effort to stabilize the dinar and eliminate rate distortions caused by reliance on auction-based exchange mechanisms. This shift allows them to move toward a direct foreign exchange mechanism, leading to a more controlled, market-based exchange rate that better reflects the true value of the dinar in international markets. Electronic payments infrastructure. The licensing of 16 new electronic payment companies is another critical step in our financial modernization strategy. These companies will play a pivotal role in increasing electronic payment adoption, facilitating both local and international transactions, and bringing Iraq's banking infrastructure in line with global standards. This adoption is expected to improve financial inclusion and reduce reliance on cash transactions, indirectly supporting a more stable dinar. New lower denominations. Plans to introduce lower denominations, potentially in early 2025, are aligned with the anticipated redenomination strategy. This initiative signals a long-term commitment to strengthening the dinar and is said to contribute to easier everyday transactions. Reducing inflationary pressure from currency volume in circulation and aligning Iraq's monetary system with the broader regional and global financial ecosystem. Iraq's recent announcement on allowing Category A licenses for banks to function as exchange companies is a significant step toward economic growth and stability. With this license, banks can now offer extensive currency exchange services, enabling seamless and large-scale transactions for both individual customers and businesses. No more middlemen. Banks with a Category A license can buy and sell major currencies in high volumes. This isn't just limited to small exchanges for travel but includes substantial transactions for international business and investment. Meaning Iraqi banks can now better support large foreign currency needs. This is important to our investment. Think about the recent announcements. Iraq established an exchange syndicate. XRP and XLM became official currencies. The 2025 budget was approved. They are supposed to select a new parliament speaker today. The dinar is recovering locally, which is purchasing power. The oil and gas sectors signed more contracts. The Trade Bank of Iraq is opening new branches. The Mosul International Airport was built with international specifications and is 86% complete. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Why it's important. Resolution of legislative stalemate. The speaker's position had been vacant since November 2023, leading to a legislative impasse. Al-Mashadani's election ends this nearly year-long vacuum, enabling the parliament to resume its full legislative functions. Facilitation of critical legislation. With a functioning parliament, there is renewed potential to address and pass critical laws that have been delayed, such as the federal oil and gas law. This law is crucial for defining the management and distribution of Iraq's oil resources, a matter that has been under debate for over 15 years. Advancement of monetary reforms. A stable legislative environment is essential for implementing monetary reforms aimed at economic stabilization and growth. Al-Mashadani's leadership can provide the necessary momentum to enact policies that enhance the financial sector's efficiency and transparency. Implications for Iraq's future. The successful passage of the oil and gas law would clarify the roles of federal and regional authorities in resource management, potentially reducing conflicts and attracting foreign investment. Similarly, monetary reforms could lead to a more stable currency and improved economic conditions, benefiting the Iraqi populace. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: dinarrecaps.com